Understanding, Slow Down the Beat, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, slow down the beat. This expression is rich in meaning and widely used in various contexts. Whether you're a music lover, a language enthusiast, or just curious, this video is for you. Let's break down its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your everyday English. The phrase, slow down the beat, primarily comes from the world of music. In this context, beat refers to the rhythm or tempo of a song or piece of music. To slow down the beat means to reduce the speed of the tempo, making the music play at a slower pace. It's a common direction in music production, rehearsals, and live performances. Beyond its literal musical meaning, slow down the beat is often used in everyday English in a more figurative sense. Here, it means to take things more slowly, relax, or reduce the intensity of an activity or situation. It's a versatile expression that can be applied to work, life, and even conversations. For instance, if someone is speaking too fast or a situation is becoming too hectic, saying, "Let's slow down the beat," is a way of asking to lower the pace or intensity. To truly grasp the usage of slow down the beat, let's look at some examples. In a music class, a teacher might say, "The song feels rushed. Let's slow down the beat a bit." During a heated discussion, someone might suggest, "We're all getting a bit worked up. Let's slow down the beat and think this through calmly." When planning a busy day, you might tell yourself, "I have too much on my plate. I need to slow down the beat to avoid getting overwhelmed." Now that you understand what it means, incorporating slow down the beat into your English vocabulary can add a creative and expressive layer to your communication. Here are a few tips. Use it to express a desire for a more relaxed pace in various situations. Apply it both in literal, musical contexts and figurative, everyday life situations. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that can make your language more colorful and relatable. And that's a wrap on Slow Down the Beat. We hope this video has given you a deeper insight into this expressive phrase and how it can enrich your English vocabulary. Whether you're talking about music or life's tempo, remember that sometimes it's okay to slow down the beat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.